So hello everyone, my name is Lakshay and I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to study that how to insert a new node after a given node. So at first I will give you the explanation and then we will do the code as well. So let us begin. As you can see, I have taken a linked list with 4 nodes and I want to insert this new node after third node. So this is our third node. So the first question that will arise in everyone's mind is that how we can access this third node. So as you know, first node of every linked list is known as head node. So if I write head pointing to its next, so what does this mean? So this is next part of head. So this is pointing to our second node because the address of our second node is 200. And in the same way, if I write one more next in the same condition, we can access our third node easily because our head is on second node right now, and if I write one more next, then our head's next is 300 and this will point to our third node. So in the same way you can access each and every node of a linked list. So I am naming this node as previous node because after this we are inserting our new nodes. This is previous node. So this condition we will pass in our insert after given node function. So for inserting this new node after the third node, we have to satisfy 5 basic conditions. The first condition is to check if our previous node is null, and if it is null, then we will simply display that previous cannot be null, because we cannot pass a null node into previous node. The second condition is to make a new node. So this is our new node. And the third condition is to insert the new data in the new node. This is our new data. And the fourth condition is to pass the previous next into the new node's next. So now this is pointing to this node because its address is 400. And if we pass previous next, this is previous next, into new nodes next, so it will become like this, then our new node will point to last node. And the last condition is that we have to pass our new node's address into previous next part. So if we pass our new node's address into previous next part, so our new node's address is 350. So we are passing new node's address into our previous next part. So now this will point to our new node. So this connection is break now. So our third node is right now pointing to our new node, and our new node is pointing to the last node. So our new node is added successfully after the third node of the linked list. So from these conditions we can easily insert our new node after the given node. So now I'm moving to the coding part. So let me open the VS Code first. I'm writing the basic syntax. So now I'm making a class name as node, making it as public class and defining the data members. And for inserting given nodes in the linked list, I'm using the insert at the end function. You can use the insert at front function as well. And if you don't know how to use insert at the end or at first function, so you can watch my previous videos. In that I have explained it in depth. So right now I am skipping the coding part of inserting at end function. So now I am making insert after given node function and passing our head as value, not by reference. I'm naming this node as previous node and a new data which the user is going to insert. So now I'm writing the first condition, that if our previous is equals to null, we will simply display that previous cannot be null and will return from here, else we will write our left condition. So our second condition is to make a new node. So node star new node is equals to a new node. And our third condition is to pass the data in the new node. And our fourth condition is to pass our previous next part into our new node's next part. So new nodes next is equals to previous next, and our last condition is to pass our new node's address into previous next part. So previous next part is equals to new node. So our insert after given node function is also completed. Now we will write the print list function. I am skipping this part also. So our functions is completed. Now I am inserting the data in the linked list. So insert at end, passing the address of head and value as 1. So I am taking 4 nodes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Its value is 5, 3, 2 and 1. So this is our linked list before inserting after given node. We will call our print list function and passing head, and now we will call our insert after function, in which we will pass our heads next and next, which is our this node, third node, head next and value 4. So linked list after inserting the new node after third node, we will call our print list function passing the head. So our program is completed. Let me run this program. In our print list function we have to move our node to next of our node so that it can traverse through the whole. Now I think it is correct. Let me run. So as you can see, this is our linked list before inserting after given node 1, 2, 3, 5, and after inserting the new node after the third node, our linked list will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all for today. In the next video we will be doing more programs of linked list. So till then, thank you and bye bye.